Before installing the CrownWall system around a doorway, there are a few important considerations to be made in order to achieve the best final result. To achieve the best results around your doorway, the panels should stop at either side of the vertical portions of the door frame and be capped by J-trims up until the top of the door frame. The panel segments are then separated above the door frame by H-trims, creating 3 panel sections, one on either side of the door and one in the middle above the door. For this particular install, we ended at the door. Step 1. J-trim is first installed on the bottom of the slat wall section, regardless of how far up the wall the panel begins. Beginning at the horizontal bottom J-trim, additional J-trim is installed vertically, ensuring to butt up against the existing door frame or trim and extending up until the top of the door frame. Panels are then installed as per normal procedure. Ensure they do not horizontally extend past the door frame. Finish the sections above the door frame with a section of H-trim as shown. Step 2. With one side of the door frame installed, the center wall section above the door can be installed. Cut a section of J-trim along with the panel sections to the length determined by the top of the door frame. Note, there may be incidences where you must cut along the length of the panels to ensure that all the panels match in elevation. We trim the top panel to demonstrate this. Step 3. With the center section installed, the other side of the door frame can be finished with panels as described in Step 1. CrownWall panels make it easy to store and organize almost anything in your garage. Garage Royalty creates stunning garage products tailored to your exact needs.